not sure how tall that buoy is, but the camera is no more than 6 or 7 inches above the water here.
To the front of the station, red cap service will be provided on the platform. We do have one group that is going to go first. If you do need red cap service to arrive to the front, they will come back and pick you up on the platform and bring you to the front of the station. Taxi cabs are located on Center Boulevard in front of the depot. And most importantly, we will be in the midst of California. Please call